Bingo Cash uses your registered phone number and an SMS verification code to sign you back into an existing account, so a lockout after resetting your password does not mean you should create a new account. By the end, you'll know how to recover access safely, what to check after a password reset, and when Bingo Cash support needs to unlock or investigate the account. First, make sure you're signing in with the same phone number that was registered to your Bingo Cash account. Open Bingo Cash. Choose Account. Then select Og Sign In under Existing User.dia. Enter the registered phone number and use the SMS verification code sent to that number. Bingo Cash's official login process uses this verification method, so entering a different number can take you away from the account you're trying to recover. If you recently reset your password and the app still says your account is locked, completely close Bingo Cash and reopen it. Then try the existing user login again, instead of creating a new account. If the verification code doesn't arrive, check that your phone has cellular service and can receive SMS messages. Make sure the number you're entering is the number originally connected to your Bingo Cash account. If you've changed your phone number since registering, Bingo Cash has a separate process for updating the registered number. The support process requires information connected to both the old and new number, along with your account email. Don't repeatedly request verification codes if the first one doesn't arrive. Check your phone connection and confirm that you're using the correct registered number before trying again. If the account remains locked after the password reset, take a screenshot of the exact error message. Avoid uninstalling Bingo Cash until you've documented the problem, especially if you still have account progress or a balance associated with the account. Next, contact Bingo Cash support and explain that the account became locked after a password reset. Include the registered phone number, account email, the exact error message, and the steps you already tried. If you no longer have access to the phone number registered to the account, tell support that immediately. That is different from simply entering the wrong verification code, and support can tell you what account recovery information they need. Most importantly, don't create a second account to bypass the lock. Use the original account and follow Bingo Cash's recovery process so your existing account information remains connected correctly. So the fix is straightforward. Use the original registered phone number, sign in through existing user, verify by SMS, and contact support if the account remains locked after the reset. Your next step is to screenshot the lock message and confirm that you're using the phone number originally registered with Bingo Cash. If this fixed your Bingo Cash account lock, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.